So today I'm going to be cutting out some plates of steel out of the scrap steel that I got. This is 1/4 inch. I already cut 2 plates out. My idea was to take these and weld them on the side. And then I can take my pockets that I have inside, plate them to the side with some bolts, and then I can put my 2x4s in the sides and go from there. All 4 plates are done. This is 1/4 inch. Bigger the better, I guess. So now, got everything ready. I'm gonna take these plates, put them up here, weld them like so. I'm putting the 1/4 inch ones on the back, and the smaller ones on the front. That ain't going nowhere. There's 2. Now I'm gonna grind it so it's all smooth. Then we go to the other side. There. There's one side done. Big plate in the back, small plate in the front. I'm out of wire. Switched over the wire. I was using a .25. Now I'm using a .35. Not terrible, not the greatest I've done either. All done with the welding now. Day 2, working on my truck, putting these sides on. I got these 2x4 pockets I'll put on here. I'll take my little punch. The reason why I'm drilling holes and putting bolts in this is because I don't want to weld it. If I want to, I could take those pockets off. See how this 3/8 goes in there now. There's one pocket done. There's one side done. Now to the other. God damn. So, here's the finished product. Pockets are on. We're pretty level with the bed. Now I just got to get some treated 2x4s, put them in the sides. I don't know how far up I'm going to do it since I got the gooseneck. I don't want it too high, I don't want it too low. Maybe something like this, 10 inches off. Yeah. Today, I got the boards. I already started. I forgot all about recording. I got pressure treated 2x4s, so I'm just mocking it up, seeing what I wanted. I already cut this one in half. I already marked out the pockets on that I put on aren't exactly 4 inches wide. So I'm gonna have to cut these down to size and then hammer them in. Taking these, just putting them in the pockets. Put it right there. Then I'm gonna put these up. I think I might put a little spacer in between these so it'll sit flush with the edge. So now I got some random ass screws. I'm gonna be screwing this little piece that I cut out onto the 2 sideboards so they're attached. Got it all set up. I'm gonna find a drill bit, same size as these carriage bolts that I got. I'm gonna take a sawzall and cut these flush off. I cut this out, making the tailgate. I finished getting all the sides on. Now I'm gonna make the tailgate. I'm gonna make it so I can pull it up and out if I want to. So I'm gonna cut another one of these, same size. I'm gonna measure from here to the top of this. So as you can see, I just made the tailgate here. These 2x4 pieces will be on the inside, just so it looks better. Now I need to mount these pieces on the sides here. I made these extra long just because you guys are going to go back and forth. I might put something on the top here just in case this wants to try to fly out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this out. This is what it looks like now.